I'm Michael Vincent, this is Money Bites, and today's topic, deposits. So, deposits, what are they? How much do you need? Why do you need them? Well, first of all, what is a deposit? A deposit is the amount of money that you need to contribute to a purchase when you're purchasing a house with a bank. Why do you need them? Well, the bank just wants to know that if they had to sell the house out from underneath you, if everything fell to crap, that actually they wouldn't lose any money. An example of that would be, let's say you purchased $1 million house with a 20% deposit. They would know that, hey, if house prices drop by 10%, 15%, they would still only need to recoup $800,000 of mortgage, so they're not going to lose any money. How much do you need? Well, different property types in New Zealand require different deposit amounts. So a residential owner-occupied property, generally speaking, you're going to need a 20% deposit. Now, with the way that house prices have been going in New Zealand, that is a lot of money. So, can you get around it? Yes. Some banks will allow you to purchase an owner-occupied property with less than 20% deposit. You can go 10% or maybe even less than 10% if you really have to. However, keep in mind that if you have less than 20% deposit, you will be paying a low equity premium or a low equity margin on top of your loans. What is that? It's a little bit of money that the bank charges you, kind of like an insurance policy for being a riskier loan. The other way that people get around this for first home buyers is gifting from parents or the bank of mum and dad. Now, we'll do a completely separate episode on that, but that's a really common way that people get around it. So, that's for owner-occupied properties. Investment properties. How much do you need to deposit when you're purchasing an investment property? For an in situ existing investment property, you're going to need a 40% deposit. Now that is a lot of money. So how do we get around this? If you don't have 40% and you still want to purchase an investment property in New Zealand, you can purchase that as a new build property or purchasing off plans. These can be required as little as 20%, maybe even sometimes 10% to purchase these properties because they are exempt from LVR rules. So, in under 2 minutes, I'm Michael Vincent, that was Money Bites, and that's deposits.